That has been asked by not only our small business owners, but also some of the more recently really significant investors in this town in terms of job creation. And what they have told us to a person is what the reasons that many of the businesses, and small businesses as well, they locate is because you think you have a consumer base that is interested in art, that is interested in lawn care, that is interested in legal services, that is interested in technology services, that is interested in promotional services. And so going back to what are those things that businesses can expect to be successful, I think that they have to have a customer base. And I don't know of any businesses in Gilbert that are not looking to market to family-orientated, highly educated, active peoples that want to be in a community where they can shop, they can have jobs that support that lifestyle that ultimately they want to enjoy. And not only, as I said, not only as a consumer, but I know many of the people in this room, Mary Ellen and I are neighbors. That's what we want in our neighborhoods. You know, you all are vested in this community as business owners, and you live here. That's what my goal is. I don't want business owners to simply come here, put their business, and then live in Paradise Valley or live in Glendale. I want you to be fully vested citizens in this town.